Spring on a plate. In just over a minute, we'll whip up a light and refreshing salad that bursts with flavor. First up, chop those tomatoes. Nice and small, bite-sized perfection. Same with the onion. We want a pop of flavor, not an overpowering bite. Now, to add some depth, a little soy sauce. Drizzle in some unrefined sunflower oil for richness. Looking good. Let's give it a quick toss. Now for the star of the show, dice up some soft cheese. Any kind you like works. Fresh green onions for a bit of a bite. And finally, the magic touch, fresh dill. Gently fold it all together, and voila, spring salad perfection in under 1 minute, 15 seconds. Enjoy.